Helen's Kitchen. Today we will be doing the sweet and spicy garlic chicken. So here we have 1.7 kg of chicken pieces that I have marinated with 1.5 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have marinated overnight. You can do it at least minimum 3 hours, otherwise overnight will be the best. And here I have 1 cup of flour to dust the chicken before frying, 100 ml of cooking oil, and once it's hot enough, you fry the chicken pieces after dusting the flour. Do not overcrowd the pan. Half minute later, flip it over. After 1.5 minutes, remove the pieces and put into a baking tray. Put in the next batch for 1.5 minutes each side before transferring to the baking tray. Then put into the preheated oven of 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The chicken pieces are cooking in the oven. We will put together the sauce. So here we have 3 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 stalks of sliced spring onion, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil under medium heat. Then you add in the garlic. Saute the garlic until it's fragrant. So once it's fragrant, you add in the soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, the chili flakes, and the brown sugar, as well as the 1 cup of water. Stir it and increase the heat to maximum high heat and bring it to boil. Start to boil, lower the heat and let it simmer till it's thickened slightly. Then we can add in the spring onion, lastly add in half a tablespoon of cornstarch with half a tablespoon of water to thicken the sauce. Into the sauce, and make sure that all the pieces are coated with the sauce. Raise the heat of the pan and make sure that all the pieces of chicken are coated with the sauce. So once all the chicken pieces are coated, let it simmer for 1 minute simmered for 1 minute, you can turn off the heat.